Hello guys, welcome back to another really good video. Is that what it is? Alright. Do I have it on lock mode? No. This is an auto MXX 1200 charger actually. So it's an auto, it gets jammed a lot. Well, let's just see this little power. Jammed. Why does it always get jammed? Bro, why?
Is there any ammo actually inside the gun?
Yeah, there's ammo. Oh. I see. Alright. And then
Next
we
one.
got this mag. Whoa. And this mag. Hold on. Whoa. Alright. Just that.
Oh, like a shotgun.
Let's see the recoil. Alright, hold up. I'll be right back.
So, what's up, guys?
And then we got this. The Retaliator. This?
Retaliator?
Yeah. Retaliator. Elite. Nerf. Little barrel right here could be attached off. Easy reload, and just click that, and do that, and reload it, and then that, and then just go like. Alright. Now let's just see this. You hold this, or no? Alright, now hold it. And on the count of 3, we shoot it at the door, alright? You ready? Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. Comment down below. This is not the end of the video, but comment down below if or who just won that race of, what power is the gun, what speed, and stuff. Alright, now guys, I'm just gonna, hold on. Where is it? No? Alright, what? Where is it?
What is that? Oh.
Where is it? Can't find it. Oh! Sink. I can't find it. So, still not the end. We got a barrel. This is and it could be attached to rifle guns, and go like, and then if you want it down, just go like, and then up. So you have like the iron sights and stuff. And then this is not just the ordinary modulus Nerf stock, guys. I know it doesn't look like a Nerf stock. Trust me, it is. It also extends. Right here is a storage where you store bullets. Right here, some bulleties could go in there. This right here, flashlight that could be actually used as putting it like where did that gun go? Doing this or something. This barrel right there, and right here, and then shining it. And this is 25 round magazine. And yeah, this could turn on, off and turn on. And this 22 magazine bullet, really long magazine, like AK-47 magazine, how it's like curved and stuff. Looks like an airsoft magazine, but it isn't, trust me. And there's one more thing.